Google has introduced the business agent, which works like a virtual salesman inside the Google search. Instead of just showing the ads, it allows the customer to chat directly with your brand. The customer get instant answers, which builds trust. More engagement means higher chances of sales. If you are a business owner, start exploring it right now, because those who adopt early will have the clear advantage. Hi, my name is Amy and I represent Softtrix Web Solution, a digital marketing company servicing clients across the globe. Today, I want to share with you a story about how Google is changing the way businesses connect with the customers. It's about a new update in the Google Merchant Center called the Business Agent, and trust me, this is something every marketer should understand. The story begins: imagine a customer searching for a product on Google. In the past, they would see the ad, click on a website, and they maybe find what they are looking for. But often they had questions: is this product in stock? Does it come in another color? What's the delivery time? And getting those answers quickly was not always easy. So now Google has introduced the business agent, which works like a virtual salesman inside the Google search. Instead of just showing the ads, it allows the customer to chat directly with your brand. It's like a shop assistant standing right next to the customer, ready to answer the questions instantly. Why did Google do this? Google knows that shopping is no longer just about browsing. It's about the conversation and the trust. Customers want quick answers and businesses want more engagement. Business Agent bridges that gap. It's part of the Google's bigger vision called the Agentic commerce, where the artificial intelligence helps brand talk to the customers in real time, guiding them toward making smarter purchase decisions. Who can use it? So not everyone can jump in right away. To use the business agent, you need a verified Google Merchant Center account, at least 50 approved product, and a claimed brand profile. So right now it's available in the countries like US, Canada, Australia, and India, with more regions coming soon. So if you are a business owner in these regions, this is your chance to get ahead. How does it work? Inside the Google Merchant Center, there is a new section called Marketing Business Agent. Here you can customize your assistant. You decide the tone of voice, friendly, professional, or formal. You set the welcome message and add the conversation starters. You can even match the assistant's colors and branding to your company identity. And if a customer needs more help, you can set up a handoff to your support team. In short, you are not just running the ads anymore. You are creating a conversation channel inside the Google search. The positive side for the marketers: the benefits are clear. The customer get instant answers, which builds trust. More engagement means higher chances of sales. You control the branding and the tone, so it feels like your company is speaking directly to the customer. And soon Google will provide the analytics, so you can measure how well your business agent is performing. It's like having a new marketing tool that works 24/7. The challenges: but every story has two sides. Business agent is currently limited to certain countries, so not everyone can use it yet. It also means relying heavily on the Google's ecosystem, which actually reduces control outside of it. And with more visibility, competition in ads may increase, which could raise the cost. So while it's powerful, it's not about without the challenges. Now the ending. So here is the takeaway: business agent is a big step forward. Conversational shopping. It's not not perfect, but it opens up a new way to connect with the customer directly inside the Google search. So at Softtrix Web Solution, we believe this is the future of the digital marketing: interactive, AI driven, and the customer focus. If you are a business owner, start exploring it right now, because those who adopt early will have the clear advantage. My name is Amy, and we at Softtrix are proud to provide the digital marketing services worldwide. Thank you for watching the video, and let's grow together in the new era of AI-powered marketing.